Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So Veloster. Should I play a dragon? Sicilian dragon? What about knight c6, a classical Sicilian? I haven't played this for a while, I think, if I have ever played it before. We'll go into a shape it again. Mind off. B5, is that going to be allowed soon? Maybe rook B8 is better. It might take and then bishop F3. And bishop B7. Rook F8. I think it reminds me of Kasparov, short Kasparov, like rook E8, bishop F8, or Karpov. You know, against Karpov, rook E8, bishop F8. Some sort of prophylaxis moves. G6 and bishop G7 later. And play to protect the D6 pawn first, and then bishop A8. And bishop A8 or knight B4, trying to put pressure on C2. Okay, bishop A8 to protect B6 for a moment. Then maybe knight B4 to start hitting E4. Maybe E5 and D5, try and liberate with E5 and D5. Looks like a fun position is emerging here. For E5 and D5, where do I need my rooks? It's actually tempting E5 immediately. He takes knight D7. Sort of fixing down my pawns. Doesn't matter if the pawns are fixed down. I think he's liberating my bishop. If he's going to take, I think the D5 square is quite well observed here. Maybe even D5 here is fun. Try D5 here. The bishops are sort of opened up. The knight on B4 helps things. So queen takes E5, bishop D4, queen G5. This has opened up the position for sure. I'm hoping H2 is going to be a problem. So queen G5 on bishop D4. Actually, there's bishop D6. H2 is a problem. Bishop D6. Here, bishop D6 is possible. Trying to force a concession, a weakness. Take G3. That might be knight takes D5 after. I think bishop D6. So G3, knight takes D5, bishop F4. It's getting pretty sharp. So bishop F4 now is a problem. Is queen F5 possible? I want to retain the ability to take on D5, queen F5. This diagonal being a bit weakened, and I'm on C2 there. Queen F5 looks to be very interesting. I don't want to spend too long on this position. 2 minutes 39 each, very tense. My rooks are connected. There's a lot of pressure here. Step back. Am I going to be taking on d5? That's the question. He's shielded. He's got knight c6. That could be a right pain. Knight c6. This could refute the whole thing. Oh boy. Is knight takes c2 possible here? I think I'm going to play knight takes c2. If he takes, I'll take his rook. Try and regain my pawn with knight takes c2. Right, so knight takes e3. I think there's bishop c5 after. Trying to gain an important tempo.
Check.
I've got that file. Doesn't look too bad. Well, he's got a nice dangerous pawn there. There's knight g4, trying to weaken the diagonal. There's knight f2 after. Does he take? Right, he has got d6, I think. I've got bishop takes for rook e1. Can I not just take that? Okay, let's play queen takes g3. Nice pin here. Okay, how can I maintain this pin? Bishop c7. 95 bishop c6, I think bishop c7. Nasty pin. Oh, he's resigned. Oh, I liked this game. I don't know how sound that was. Oh, I quite like this game. I don't know about you guys. It reminded me of the Kasparov, prophylaxis in the Sicilian games, which I thought were wonderful against Karpov, when he's playing moves like. But anyway, let's have a look. I don't know about rook b8. I just thought I was scared of this. Do I need to be? That's always e4. This doesn't work. Something to be borne in mind. I can just take here for e4. I just thought this diagonal. Maybe this is a time waste, a bad time waste. The position's not so bad for black. He's asking for e5. d5. Yeah, I'm sort of. Interesting, isn't it? Oh, hang on. D takes e4. Is that a major improvement? It is, isn't it, on that diagonal? Oh man. Trying to distract. That looks so good. Trying to distract this diagonal. He's had to give up his queen here. Wow. Oh, that is vicious. D takes e4. Better for black. Wow, that's something to be borne in mind in these positions. So somehow this might be a good move in the circumstance. No, he's come back into the game. Knight takes c2. Alright, he should have taken on b8. But yeah, I think I let him off then. Familiar. Although I think I'm back in the game here. This was okay, I think. Is this a blunder? Oh no, I missed the mate in 3. Queen takes d1. Wow, the back row. Classic back row. That would have been a nice finish. This is good. I mean, it's good for black. He's just losing a piece, so it's basically it's over here anyway. Thankfully. What a game! What a game for a 5-minute game, though. Alright, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.